Hey everyone, and welcome to ButchyBoom Reviews. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, we're grateful. A returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Listen, we're doing an unboxing video today. This is a real special video. I got a lot of information I want to give to you in a short amount of time, so make sure you really pay attention here, okay? This is the GNET Geon 2 dual channel dash cam. Okay, we're going to be doing this. We're going to unbox it here in just a second. Before we get too far ahead, let me just go grab my tools. I'll be right back. You won't even know I'm gone. I'll be right back. I'm back with my tools. It's a razor knife. Okay, so really quick, let me just tell you that we got an email from BlackBoxMyCar. We signed up a little while ago as an affiliate, and we got approved. Out of nowhere, we get an email asking if we would like to review one of the dash cams that BlackBoxMyCar is now going to be carrying. It's a new product for them. Of course, we said sure. So no questions asked. There's no, we didn't pay for this. We're not being paid to produce this video. So what we're going to be doing in this video is entirely from us, a complete unbiased unboxing, review, installation, and we're going to actually put the camera to use. But we're not going to do it all in one video. It's too much information to do in one video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that button. We're going to put them out as fast as we can do it. But with that said, as I said in the beginning, that BlackBoxMyCar is an affiliate. So this camera, you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you the price in both US and Canadian. For US customers, if you click through my link below, I really would appreciate it. And I think you'll get an additional 5% off. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. It came UPS, came really fast, nice, easy shipping. I'm surprised at actually how fast it came from the point that I was contacted. And if you don't know, we did other video for the Blackview. What was it? It was the DR900X. Great camera. Oh wow! Look at this. This is amazing. It's the Geon 2. It's the full HD. It's dash cam. Listen, so let's talk about that. So it's got the QHD. It's a phenomenal view that this thing is supposed to give off. Okay, nice fancy box. The Sony Starvos sensors, the CMOS. It's invaluable for getting the quality of pictures that we're expecting to get from this baby. It's 2-channel, which means it's got the front and the back. It also has this great thing that you can go live with cloud, so it can hook up with that. On the side of the box over here, you can see it's got the Wi-Fi dongle. It's got a few things inside here, so we're going to open it up and take a look. All right, so let's just inspect this box really quick, make sure that doesn't say not to open somewhere, because I don't know how to open the box here. Well, it's quite simple apparently. Oh wow, so this is what's inside the box. Let's get the razor knife out of the way. Everything is nice and cushy. Nice little, it's very similar in size. Oh yeah, they're not falling out very easy. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. All right, so let's get this out. I'm going to set it up for you in the next video, and we're going to go over all this in a minute. But wow, this is it. Very light, folks. This is very light camera. Let's set that there. Let's get this other little guy out. This is the rear camera. So this is the front camera that goes underneath the rear view mirror. And this here would go on the back window. So you can see it's pretty small. That's where the cable goes. Looks like it has a light too. Let's see what else we got in this box. I love that. This must be all the installation gear. Okay, so we got, looks like installation gear. We got the manual. Again, it's going over the, it's a quick user guide. We're going to go over this more in depth. But I gotta tell you, one of the things I'm really looking forward to, it looks like it's doing all the standard stuff, connecting to the cell phone through Wi-Fi, the cloud, so you can view it. You don't have to wait for the SD card to view it. I want to look more though at this stuff here. Okay, so the installation stuff, we got 2 wires here. Look at that. They got the front. This goes to the front camera. I'm not going to unwind it, but it's quite the length of wire. We'll let you know during the installation part of the video. And I am going to open this one up just to see what's in it out of mere curiosity. So you got some extra sticking tape. And you know what? I bet you that, yeah, look at that. See? One goes to there, so if you need to take it off and move it, you can do that and have them. That's very nice and thoughtful of them. So this is the GPS. Let me get rid of that. And let's get rid of that. We're going to put it all back together in the box. This is the GPS dongle. So this would just, you put this in, yeah, it says GPS on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says GPS on it. So you just put that, and it's also tapes. So you're going to just put that away from the camera a little bit so that it doesn't interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. So this little guy here, it looks like a USB port. This will pull right on out. This is the Wi-Fi dongle. This is really cool. This is going to allow you to set your car up as a hotspot, if I'm not mistaken. And if I am, I'm going to let you know. I'll clarify. But this allows this thing to be hooked up to the cloud and in real time be able to view. And it looks like everything is pretty straightforward. We're going to get more into the installation of it, but I love this. Look at that. It's got the plastic cover over it. Simple on off, it looks like. Yeah, we're going to get into this baby. Oh, I can't wait. I don't want to. All right. So, look, it's got a nice little thing on the side here. Of course, they're going to get their advertising in. Oh, we got another button over here. And this must be the speaker, because this thing has gives you a couple other features that some other dash cams don't, and that's the early warning lane departure kind of a system that it's got built in. So I guess it lets you know if you're departing your lane. I'm anxious to test that part of it out too. So here's the next step. Let's talk about pricing. Okay, the very reasonable price. It's $330.99 as the time we're doing this video, US. So you're gonna check it out. We're gonna put the links down below in the description. What else? There's nothing else I really think that you need to know about the unboxing part. You see what everything is here. Again, it's a nice little setup, and they give you everything that you need to make this thing a success for setting up. So let's just see what it's like when we put it into, we're going to actually do the installation, and we're going to do the road test on it. We're going to put it out and we're going to put it to use. So it'll be good. We're going to test it on parking. We're going to test it on the road, day and night. I'm interested to see what it's like with any glares. I'm also really interested to see what's going to happen with the cloud connection, because I love doing the videos where I can stream live. With that said, I want to say thank you to BlackBoxMyCar for letting us do this video and sending out the camera, and we're honored. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to put the next video out, the installation video. It's going to be very quick, folks. It's not going to take a long time. We may even mix the installation and the putting it through its hoops in the same video. With that said, thank you again so much. We'll see you in about a week. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to flash on the screen some of the big features of this.